watch Ghost Finder app. First one. Did you hear that noise happen there? I didn't know what happened. That was a weird noise. Leave the comments below if it was a ghost. I have to tell my sister and brother. They're both sleeping, so they're really sick. Well, they used to be sick, but now they're sick again. Okay? Creepy, guys. What happened? Like, what happened? Did you hear that noise? That's creepy. Okay? That's really weird, okay? I'm just looking. I'm just watching a video on my TV. This is a really expensive TV, so like it. Leave a like if you like that TV and comments below if you have the same TV. Because I have Netflix, Amazon, YouTube. Now that's what I'm watching right now. And wait, let me see. It has Hulu, has HBO Now, Gamefly, apps, games. I don't know. Okay, so that's what it has. Okay, okay. So if you really like um uh, nothing actually. YouTube oh, was something going around. Um so leave the comment what do you think that was on the ghost finder. Okay? A weird voice did that, okay? So leave your comments below what you see. Like this video, well actually don't like it. It's fine, I don't care. Okay? Leave a like if you know what that was, okay? Bye.